teachers gave us some of the stuff you guys have been working on. They wanted us to hold on to it for you. I saw something about the Riemann hypothesis. Things like non-trivial zeros and zeta functions and a lot of other stuff that goes totally over my head. Maybe you can wake up and explain it to me. Come on, Lydia. You have to come back to us. There's no way we're getting through this without you. Lydia, you have to wake up.
I think that's enough. Styles?
Wait a sec, what is this? What are they doing?
All right, you need to go.
They shaved their head. Look at it. Did you know about this? What are they gonna do? Drill a hole into her head?
Are you crazy? It's for ECT, electroconvulsive therapy. They shave small portions of the scalp. It's done under general anesthesia, and it's perfectly safe. Look at her Styles. She's my daughter. You don't think I'm trying everything I can to bring her out of this?
No, that's not ECT.
Is everything all right in here?
It's fine. Our guest is just leaving. Styles, go. Or you're not coming back.
All right, Lydia. Time for your shower.